Right. Well, I think what we usually say is the benefits of practicing in a heated room with other people are limitless, just because we only know the benefits that we've heard of so far, right?
Right, exactly. And I think whether you're just beginning your journey into the world of yoga, moving and breathing, or you've taken some time off and you're coming back to it, this series, this practice here is the perfect way to begin. Perfect.
Right, because it can be intimidating.
Yeah.
To be away from the hot room for a long time, and you think, oh, I'm not ready. But this is what these next 7 days are for. So we look forward to joining you from your home to the hot room. 7 days practice. We'll see you on your mat soon.
See you there.
Yeah.